Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh NIO. So in this video I'm going to do a quick recap of how we did the last week of trading. Some news came out yesterday and just wanted to share with you guys and moving forward. So let's go. So throughout the week we were trading coming out of $46.49. Then we had a pullback. As mentioned, we're gonna need those sort of pullback to create higher highs. Came all the way. Our support level was sitting at 43.54. It came close to about $44.81. Then from there we had a bounce up, and then we went and broke our very important resistance level at 46.03. We didn't hold for long, and then we've been kind of testing it throughout the week, and we closed the week at $45.07. So what are we looking for moving forward on coming week? Before I do that, let's talk some about the news came out, and later in the video, very important technical analysis on resistance and support level. Hey folks, before I move forward, please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button so you guys can be constantly updated on NIO. So NIO reaches 277 battery swap station in China. NIO opened a new battery swap station on June 26 in Taiwan, Chinese Shanxi province. It's 227 in China. The company currently has 5 battery swap stations and 2 supercharging stations in the city, mentioning of Shanxi province, in excess of 6,974 third-party charging piles. On June 26, NIO has 277 battery swap stations, 192 super charging stations, 370 destination charging stations, and access more than 380,000 third-party piles in China, charging piles in China. NIO said it has increased the speed of charging and battery swap in resources in Taiwan, aiming above 1 available within 15 minutes of driving time. Wow. Just imagine every corner you go, like we have in America, the gas stations, you can see a NIO battery swap stations. So that's a very good news, because the goal is by end of 2021, NIO wants to have 500 battery swap stations, and that's the goal. They're looking at it, and they are progressing throughout the year, very at a pace that they will able to attain those goals. I think they'll be done by end of November or the beginning of November, of reaching a 500 battery swap station. So we'll see on that. Also, the news came out today. NIO said been building hardware upgrades, including 5G support of an existing models on the track day of 2021. The picture is Mr. William Lee, the CEO of NIO. As the company with a high level of customer loyalty has been praised for looking and interest of its car owners, the company intends to be the part of that and becomes the real team to bring the company even more acclaim. Wow. Okay, let's talk about the 5G, right? What is it talking about the 5G? The Equilium 8105 processor supports the 5G cellular data. NIO can start develop the hibernation function, that is, the user can start the vehicle instantly when entering the car. The response becomes faster, and touch operation and application opening speed, such as reverse image pop-up and speed and symmetry mode. The higher computer power can be more functions and transparency of 360 degrees radar, right? Automatic parking performance with a substantially upgraded application store is expected to be supported, right? So these are the functions that they are constantly upgrading, finding new technologies in order to improve the performance of NIO cars, right? This is what we know. This is all the growth the company is doing in order to achieve its milestone. And this is all the good news coming up, right? All this news sometimes doesn't factor in the stock price, but when it do, it lifts off. So let's talk about the stock. Like, what are we looking at next week? Where are we heading into? And are we still in the bull flag? So let's look at it. So we had all the way from $30 less than a month ago, and we rallied all the way up to $48.35. We broke out our very important resistance level. We failed to hold it. We tested it. We broke it, and then now we are trading below it, and we are trying to break through it. Our moving averages, the blue line is a 200-day moving, 20-day moving average. The yellow line is 60 EMA, and the 200 is a 200. Pink line is a 200 EMA. All is in line for an uptrend, right? If I'm going back on my 1 year, like I said, going back on the 1 year, 1 day chart, right? What are we key levels we're looking? RSI, and I mentioned in the previous video that we're gonna have a pullback because we need RSI to cool off, right, in order to create higher highs, right? And now we are some sort of creating a bull flag up trade in between to create another uptrend to test the high of $50, right? We passed this trading week. We had a little bit of sell-off, but it's okay. This is a healthy pullback. This kind of sort of things happen in order to create higher highs, and which we did. RSI is at $58.13. We still have, we're all the way to $70 and beyond. So we still have a lot of room to run. A little bit, MACD look like a little bit of selling off, but hey, folks, this is what we expected. This is sometimes you will see that in order to create higher highs, but all the moving averages all are in lined up for a solid uptrend to the test of $50. So hey folks, don't forget to comment down below. Like, I'd like to hear your guys' prediction. What do you guys think on this coming week where we'll be heading? Because what I'm also looking that this week we'll be testing the high of close to $48 or even beyond this week. The reason is being that is I want to share with you guys also the Nasdaq and also SPY 500. What are we looking at, right? So as mentioned, like we're on the tech sector. Like Nasdaq is a very tech sector heavy. Now we're seeing some sort of rotation going on. So we broke through, right? We were trading below up here. Every time we were touching $30, we were right up around here. We broke through the Nasdaq has broke through the all-time high. Now the all-time high is 14,441, and we have on Friday we had a little bit of pullback, right? But now we broke through. Like if I go back and look at SPY 500, like it's an all-time, folks. It is all-time high. It's creating higher highs, and every time it comes to the yellow pink line, we have this upper high, right? So there's a lot of rotation going on. So now the tech sector, this is the tech sector time up till August. So this will be a lot of momentum going forward to see the stock to cross over $50, which I clearly can see this by end of July. By end of July or in the mid-July 15, I can see the stock coming to go test our very important key level at $50 right up here, and I can see it and getting rejected or even break through that, right? So we are right there, folks. We are coming closer to we are moving in the right direction to an all-time high of $66.99. Right, as predicted, I can see this stock end of this year over $75 to $80 end of this year. Right, this is a long-term growth stock. You know, there's a lot of things that involve in this company opening in Europe, in Norway. Then we know they're gonna be working in Germany very soon. That's an announcement is very gonna drop soon, right? And who knows where else they're gonna go, right? And the NIO second factory is getting built by the 2022 end of 2022. Which they are looking to produce 1 million car in a year, folks. 1 million car. That's something is a milestone that a company wants to achieve, which is a sign of the growth, right? So overall, We are heading to the right direction. It definitely looks like a bull flag right now. Solid up, trading in between sideways. I've been testing these key levels to 43, 54, and all the way to 46. So, this is the areas that we are looking at, and looks like there's a lot of demand right now sitting at 43, 54 level, where every time it drops below 44, buyer steps in, pushes up, and try to break through the $46.03 level. Well, folks, that's all I have for NIO. I'm excited to coming this week on how we're gonna trade. My prediction still stands. This week we'll be testing close to 50 $50 level, but I can see that we're gonna break out at $46.03 resistance level. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button. As usual, really appreciate you guys' support. Please don't forget to comment down below, and have a nice day. Thank you very much.